Is everyone going to lose their jobs, friends? Nowadays, there is one common fear everywhere: AI, artificial intelligence. With the speed at which ChatGPT and advanced tools are growing, the pressure on the global economy is clearly visible. Layoffs are happening in IT companies, and tasks like coding and designing are being completed in seconds. Does this mean everyone's job is gone? Absolutely not. Today, we will talk about the four major sectors that are 100% safe from AI. If you are in one of these, your career is completely secure. Let's get into it. Sector 1: Defense. National security. The first and strongest sector is defense. No doubt, AI is used in drones and smart surveillance, but when it comes to facing an enemy at the border, you don't need computer programming. You need a soldier's courage and instant decision making. No country will hand over the control of its core security to an algorithm or software because AI can be hacked. Therefore, defense jobs will always be a top priority and are completely safe. Sector 2: SSC and government jobs. The second sector is government jobs such as SSC CGL, state exams, and the bureaucracy. To run an administration in a diverse country like India, one needs a deep understanding of ground reality and the social structure. And AI does not know the personal or emotional problems of people in rural areas. Making rules and implementing them among the public is solely a human job. Here, AI will only act as a helper, not a replacement. Sector 3: Medical and Healthcare. The third biggest sector is healthcare. Yes, AI can detect diseases quickly and accurately, known as diagnostics. But would you want an open heart surgery performed by just a robot without an expert doctor? Absolutely not. A patient needs human comfort, trust, and empathy along with medical treatment, which no computer programming can provide. Doctors, surgeons, and nurses will always be in demand. Sector 4: Business and Entrepreneurship. The fourth sector that will grow the most in the AI era is business. AI cannot independently think of a new or out of the box business idea. Business runs on taking big risks and building human relations. A smart businessman does not fear AI. Instead, they use AI to reduce operational costs and increase profits. Networking and finalizing deals with clients will always remain in the hands of humans. Conclusion: the simple conclusion is that AI will only replace jobs that are boring and repetitive. However, wherever intelligence, leadership, and strategy are required, humans will remain the king. What do you think? Is your career safe from AI? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this video informative, be sure to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.